Ever felt like your Wix site is almost perfect, but it's missing that one crucial custom feature? Today, you're going to break through that limitation. We're diving into how to embed custom HTML code to integrate unique functionality and dynamic content directly into your Wix pages. First, navigate to the page where you want to add your custom element and click the plus sign to open the Add menu. Scroll down to the Embed section, often found under More, and select the option that says HTML iFrame. Drag and drop the new HTML element onto your canvas, and then click the Enter Code button that appears on the element. This is where the magic happens. Paste your custom HTML code into this box. Remember, this code can be for anything from a custom form to an interactive map or a special widget. Once your code is in place, click Apply to lock it in. You'll immediately see a placeholder on your canvas representing your embedded content. Now let's make it fit perfectly. Click on the element, go to the Settings gear icon, and adjust the scaling and dimensions to match your site's design. And just like that, you've successfully embedded custom code, unlocking advanced possibilities and taking full control over your website's functionality and user experience.